Manifesting is an amazing experience. It's all about changing what's up here to change what's out there in the world. You can change any area of your life with manifesting, whether you want more wealth, better health, better relationships, whatever it is you can change with manifesting. When you change how you look at the world, your experience with the world changes.
When you're looking to manifest anything in your life, it first starts with the intention.
Something within you that's got to come up, like a desire, a goal, an intention, something that you want to create into your life.
That's where it begins.
You can manifest anything, but you have to prepare yourself.
And then from there is where the whole path opens up.
Focus is so important when it comes to manifesting. This is the first step in the whole process.
First thing we have to do is really get clear, on what we want to focus on.
Well, I don't want this and I don't want that. We need to be focusing on what we do want.
For me, it's about becoming the best version of myself.
With that first step, that focus, the rest will start to flow in. You must get that focus right and stop focusing on the things that you don't want to attract.
Boost. This is where you really get yourself fired up. You turn on your ignition, you feel that belly fire, and you feel what's coming your way.
You can boost your emotions by imagining yourself successful.
When we give voice to our desires, we give that the movement and energy it needs to actually happen in the world.
Do you know when you have such passion, such fire, like your why is ignited, it's like nothing can stop you.
Releasing is the third part of the manifesting process.
Release the expectation of an exact outcome.
Can I let go of the need for anything to be different now?
It's really the same thing as saying, fuck it.
Releasing is key.
By releasing, you're able to let go of those things that are holding you back.
It is imperative to feel grateful. When you're grateful, you don't need to be successful anyway.
Be grateful for every single day that you wake up. Be grateful for every single day that you can focus on the goal.
Gratitude is absolutely an essential part of the manifesting process. As a matter of fact, I think it's the catalyst.
Gratefulness is so essential to everything out there.
Go. Now this is the final step of the manifesting process.
It doesn't take a lot to put the universe in motion.
Go out and start taking inspired action.
If you don't put one foot in front of the other and actually make things happen, the universe goes, I don't know if you really want it.
Without this step, nothing else matters. You can do steps 1 to 4, nothing will really change until you apply step 5 and go.
Every step you take, the universe is going to take 10 steps towards you. But if you don't start that momentum, it's never going to happen.